Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the brand new Tesla Apple Watch app. It's a really simple app that you can use as your key for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can set this up and exactly how it works. So let's jump into it. Okay, so let's open the Tesla app. I'm going to open that, and you can see when you first open it, it says set up for watch key. So I'm going to tap that. It's scanning, authorizing, pairing, and it's done. That's how simple it is to set up. You just have to be near your Tesla Model 3. Okay, that was pretty easy. We're all set up, but what can we do with this app? Let's take a look. So the app is actually fairly basic. You can lock and unlock the car by tapping that. So let's lock it. There we go, that works fine. We can open the frunk. Are you sure? That's opened up. We can see our charge status and exactly how many miles we have. We can turn on the climate control. Now, if we scroll up right here, we can open and close the boot. So I'm going to open the boot. We can see that's opened. Now, what's good about this app is that the highlighted sections mean that you've got something activated or on. So if I tap that, it'll go back. It's going to close the boot. There we go. And now it's gone back to black. We can flash the car. We can open the charge port. To be honest, I think I'll mainly use this for opening the boot. If you're carrying a bit of shopping, it means you don't have to get the phone out of your pocket. You can simply tap this button and the boot will open. I've also designed a little Tesla app watch face. So if you want to get this, I'll share this in the description below. But essentially it gives you the time, it gives you your calendar, and then it shows you your Tesla charge limit, and also a little button. So if you've parked the car, you can tap that little complication at the bottom there, and it will direct you to your parked Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Check it out. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure to give it a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.